Let us now see 4 is to 1 multiplexer. A 4 is to 1 multiplexer has 4 data inputs, 2 select or control inputs and 1 output. So this is the logic diagram for 4 is to 1 multiplexer. Its data inputs are I0, I1, I2 and I3, whereas it has got 2 select inputs and the S1 and S0 are its select input, while it has got an output Y. This is the function table for this 4 is to 1 multiplexer. When S1 and S0 are 0, 0, output of 4 is to 1 multiplexer is I0. When S1 and S0 are 0, 1, its output is 1. When S1 and S0 are 1, 0 respectively, then output is I2. And when S1, S0 are 1, 1, then the output is I3. This particular circuit of 4 is to 1 multiplexer, it gives the required output as per the function table. So let us verify this particular function table of 4 is to 1 multiplexer. When S1 and S0 inputs are 0, 0, then we can see here that out of this particular 4 AND gates, the output of only one AND gate will be non-zero. Okay, you can see here that because of these two inverters, its output will be 1, and these inputs they are given to this particular AND gate, and output of this particular AND gate, it will be I0. Why? Because rest of its inputs are 1, so output will be same as that of the I0. While if we see for rest of the 3 AND gates, the one of the input is 0, so that is why its output will be 0. So the output, final output Y of the OR gate, it will be I0 or 0 or 0 or 0, that is it is I0. So when inputs are 0, 0, the output is I0. Next, when input is 0, 1, then uh, when input is 0, 1, then we can see here that only the inputs of these two inputs of second AND gate, they are 1 and 1, while the at least one of the inputs of the remaining 3 AND gates, they are 0, so its output are 0, whereas the output of this particular AND gate will be 1, and the output will be same as this I1. So these two inputs are 1, 1, so I1 and 1 and 1 is I1, and here the final output is I1 or 0 or 0 or 0, that is I1. In the similar fashion, it can be seen that uh, for the input S1, S0, 1, 0, the third AND gate is having its two input 1, 1, and the third input is I2, so output of the third AND gate will be I2, whereas at least one of the input of the remaining 3 AND gates is 0, so that is why its output is 0 and the final output is I2. And finally, when S1, S0 are 1, 1, then the uh, last AND gate's two inputs are 1, 1, so its output will be I3, and at least one of the input of these upper 3 AND gates are 0, so its output will be 0 and output is I3. So this is how the 4 is to 1 multiplexer can be implemented using AND gate and OR gate.